Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to bypass parental controls, how to bypass family link on your Galaxy device. So firstly, open settings, then scroll down and click Google. Click manage your Google account. Click get started. Data and privacy. Scroll down and click delete your Google account, but not afraid, we will recover it later. So confirm your password. And click next. Wait a while, scroll down, click I understand. Yes, and click delete account. Cool. Now go back to the home screen, open your settings menu and wait. As you can see, all my apps are unlocking in this moment. So as you can see, all my apps are unlocked. Now delete parental controls application from your device. And cool. Now we can recover our Google account. So open Play Store, click sign in. Wait a while. Enter your email. Click next, you will see this message: your account deleted. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. So click next, enter your password, click next again. You will see message something went wrong. So you need to log in into your Google account again, last time. So enter your email. Click next, enter your password, and click next. Click I agree. Click accept. And cool, as you can see, Google Family Link was successfully bypassed and Google account was successfully recovered. So thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment this video, and bye, see you again.